Welcome to Zion Reelz.
Ever felt like you've been searching for peace, direction, or answers, but haven't found them yet? Let's meditate on today's verse to discover the powerful key to find what you've been missing. Today, let's meditate on Jeremiah 29:13. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. Thoughts to meditate on today. Have you ever felt like your prayers are bouncing off the ceiling? Like you've been calling out to God, but the line feels disconnected? Jeremiah 29:13 gives us a powerful key to eradicate that feeling. Seeking God with all our heart. God is not hiding from us. He's not distant or indifferent, but He does reveal Himself to those who truly desire Him. Those who seek Him with sincerity, not half-heartedly or out of convenience. Many people cry out to God only when life gets messy. They want relief, not relationship. They want God to fix their situation so they can go back to living their own way. But that's not the kind of seeking this verse is talking about.
The Lord spoke these words to the Israelites while they were in exile, far from home, broken, and discouraged. They had been carried away to Babylon because of their rebellion, but even in that place of discipline, God sent them a promise through Jeremiah. If you seek me with all of your heart, you will find me. Think about that. Even in a season of captivity and pain, God was saying, I'm still here. I still have a plan. I still want a relationship with you. It wasn't about location, it was about devotion. The restoration would begin the moment their hearts turned fully toward Him. And that's the same invitation for us today. God is not found through casual searching. He is found in wholehearted pursuit, when we make Him our highest priority, not our last resort. When we seek Him in prayer, in His Word, and through obedience, something powerful happens. We begin to find Him, not just in theory, but in experience. This verse also reminds us that our relationship with God isn't one-sided. He wants to be known. He delights when His children draw near. If you've been feeling distant from God, Jeremiah 29:13 offers hope. You don't have to stay disconnected. The path back is simple. Seek Him with all your heart, not part of it, not what's left over after everything else. Give Him your full attention, your trust, your love. When you do, you'll find that He's been there all along, waiting with open arms. The moment you turn your heart fully toward Him, you discover that He never left. So today, let this verse remind you, God isn't playing hide and seek with your soul. He's inviting you to come close, to seek Him with everything in you. And when you do, you will find Him.
Remember to ask Jesus to show you how much He loves you today. For more content like this, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. May you be blessed today and always.